Welcome to Casa Camilla. This is a new listing. It's come to the end of 2018. Listed at €216,000, and for that money you get a view and position with this fantastic view. Okay, so all the land we're now filming is rustic land, cannot be built on. This is a small urbanisation just awaiting final urban status, but hence the price is set to reflect that. But westerly facing, big open views, and this has got 2 large bedrooms as well as a storeroom, a possible option for a 3rd small bedroom, off-road parking which is all gated as you see. It's got a shaped pool, roof terrace. It's in very good condition, and like I say, it's very quiet on this development. A lot of people have bought recently because you get 0 road noise, you get a good sized plot although there are neighbours, and you get the view right the way across the valley. So you're only literally about 4-minute drive from Puente del Manuel, whereby obviously you've got shops and amenities. So you've got the shaped pool on this one, which is probably about 7.5 meters in length. This is slightly different to the rest with a turret, the roof terrace. I think there's only 1 or 2 other properties in this row, which is the front Lakeview row, front line. A shower for the pool. There's kind of a basic outdoor kitchen area with a nice vine for shade. And then from this side east you get the view up to Mount Maroma. So these are new pillars and railings that have been put in. There was just a fence there before, and that's not a bad view facing east for the morning sun. There's a water deposito as well as a plastic shed. Here you get to see just some store cupboards, running water and electric. Quickly show you the view from upstairs. Okay, so that's Mount Maroma, and this has the toldo, which is the awnings, and fantastic view. You can see the parking area, the plot. Obviously there's a retaining wall at the front, so you're higher than the actual access road. Very quiet as you can see, and very impressive lake view, which is filling up nicely after a very wet 2 months this year. So we've sold a number of properties, probably about 9 or 10 properties now this last 3 years. I'm going to go back through the main door. Another nice feature is these shutters. Okay, very good for security. They're folding, they look nice. You've got an awning here as well, which is great for the summer, for the shade. Okay, so the front door is in the tower, and you can walk into a very nice, good size, open plan lounge diner. You've got the wood burner at the far end. The windows, by the way, most of them have been upgraded. You've got very good quality double glazed security glass windows, and I say they've just been recently put in the last 12 months or so. So wood burner is in. You've got, this is the small 3rd option for the bedroom for guests, okay, but essentially it's a bit of a box room. It could be a very good office. There's internet access here, plus another storeroom which is all kitted out for linen, very organised. So again, new patio doors which lead out onto the covered terrace. Okay, so diagonal kind of hallway into a good sized kitchen. This, okay, it's good quality, granite tops, integrated dishwasher, plenty of unit space and storage, and then that leads out onto the new patio. Okay, so master bedroom. This is the general bathroom, okay, which could very easily become ensuite for the master bedroom, which is this one here. Nice tiles on the floor. Again, nothing too unique. You've got AC unit in this room, very good size with that view. So that's the view from the bed. Okay, fitted wardrobes, double wardrobes. And then general shower room and toilet. Again, this has been renewed recently, in very good condition. And finally, second bedroom is a twin with AC, inverter unit, and a small wardrobe there for storage. Okay, so this has had recent upgrades. It's very kind of interesting property. It's better than, different shape and standard from your normal villas up on this development. Shaped pool rather than rectangular. Fantastic view. And a very good price at €216,000. So if you want further details on this property, Casa Camilla, please contact us directly on 0034 696 522 171 or via our website villasolutions.net. Thank you.